clock attack at 9 o'clock. I tried to cure the malady with lager, ale, and Bach. Just put me to sleep, and now I'm one song short. It's a fight that can get nasty. The kids are rapid, procrastinating sore. I finished day that came so early, in fact 2 weeks back. And not a pipe in nature call, we're finished right on track. The bear hug and hospital were tough to get done. It's hardly worth the fret, the kid is better when he's under the gun. Did I mention that this weekend I took a treacherous trek? 13 circle bruises on my chest and on my neck. A bachelor party for fella Kinsella. You can take its paintball prowess is a little less than stellar. Early the chewy method act. I wasn't even sure how baby's body would react, but every weary worker must take some daunting turns. Plus kid knows what Papa said about the early bird and the worm. Oh, kid knows what Papa said about the early bird and the worm.